Okay, this is part 2 of the actual battery bracket I was doing. So I had to put the battery back onto the bracket and see if it's in the car. Put this on here and I'll show you the little, that's the bolt that holds the whole battery. That bolt there holds the battery down to the car so it doesn't move around. Alright, it's hard to explain but I'll show you. That's the bracket, that's the little bolt. That's the nut that the bolt comes through to hold this bracket on top here down to there. So I'll put that bottom nut on and I'll put some special glue there, special glue to hold that nut onto the actual battery tray, otherwise it will just fall off again. So next time someone will take that off to do a battery change, that will never fall off because now it's glued on. Okay, now we're gonna make sure I'm gonna leave it here so it's set. Once that's set, then I can put that